Branches of government. In a typical democratic system, the government is divided into 3 branches, each with its own distinct functions and powers. These branches are designed to provide a system of checks and balances, preventing any one branch from gaining too much power. The legislative branch is responsible for making laws. It is usually a bicameral system, consisting of 2 chambers or houses. The executive branch is responsible for implementing and enforcing laws. It is headed by the head of state or head of government, who is often the president or prime minister. The judicial branch interprets laws, resolves legal disputes, and ensures that laws align with the Constitution. It includes various levels of courts. United States Congress, comprising the Senate and the House of Representatives, the Congress is responsible for proposing, debating, and voting on legislation. Parliament of the United Kingdom, consisting of the House of Commons and the House of Lords, the UK Parliament is the legislative body responsible for making laws. President of the United States, the President is the head of state and head of government, responsible for executing laws, directing the military, and conducting foreign affairs. Prime Minister of Canada, the Prime Minister is the head of government and is responsible for implementing laws, managing the cabinet, and representing the country internationally. Supreme Court of the United States, the highest court in the U.S. federal judiciary, the Supreme Court has the authority to interpret the Constitution and decide the constitutionality of laws. Supreme Court of India, as the highest court in the judicial system of India, it has the power of judicial review and ensures the protection of fundamental rights. These branches work together to create a system of separation of powers, ensuring that no single branch has unchecked authority and that the government functions in the best interest of the citizens.